Yeah. Go and try your luck. Test me in again, we let it rain. Please don't start us up. Got that black and white, that yin and yang. Mr. Officer, please don't search us.
Oh my God.
Tell her park it up. Then that be poking out them jeans. I've been sparking up. Like the fireworks, I keep the flame. Heard you barking up. This the wrong tree, I got the strings. Yeah, I'm charging up. They can keep up, got them looking drained. Now they walking up. Trying to put the face to the name.
Wearing my lucky winter hat. It is game time, tournament day. It's cold. It's colder than that one day I had. A little windy. Just a little bit. Oh, I think I had a bite. Oh, I did. He came back after it. It's a little guy, but he'll start out. He will start out. Oh, golly, it's cold. Wasn't this cold at the ramp. Okay. All right, first one will start today. Oh, boy. On the Cinco, I had a bite, missed him. I was reeling it in, he came chasing after it. Not giant, but. All right. 12 3/4. Oh, took my worm. You son of a gun. Oh, I had a bite. I thought it was grass. I still had them. Not big, but it's a start. Fish number 3. All right. 13 1/4. Now this might sound strange, but I don't own a pair of shoes besides the ones I have at work. I do have socks. Oh! Had a bite. Wow, how did that happen? Wow. What in the world? Looks like a spider web. $15. Oh, goodbye. Jeez, my shoulders. Oh, yay. You doing any good? Yeah, same here. Yeah, little ones for me. Yes. Don't do that. I got you pinned good, girl. I got you pinned good. Hook just fell out. Guys, that's the best of the day so far. That's looking good. That was just the weirdest hook set. Oh, thank you. 17 and a half. Here we go. Goodbye. Goodbye. Alright, I don't know how many fish that is, but I'll look after I submit this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I got 5. Smallest one is 12 3/4. I'm in first right now with 71 inches, but this place has bad cell signal. We really don't know until Tuesday or whatever. Ew. Wow. Oh. I'll get rid of my 12. First call fish. Get rid of my 12. Okay. 15 1/4. Goodbye. Ew. Ah. Dang grass. Ah. It hurts my shoulder so bad. Ah. Transducer stuck in the grass. Ah. Come on. Ah, get out of there. Oh, I broke free. Oh. Dude, my shoulders are killing me. That's what happens when it gets cold out for me. My shoulders, man. That's a good one. That's a good one. I'll call my 13, I think. Oh, there goes my rod. 14 3/4. Fat little guy. Look how fat that thing is. Goodbye. Why am I going backwards? I'm going backwards and I'm going to the side when the wind's going this way. It makes no freaking sense. That's the whole, I think this whole mat's moving. That's what it is. This whole mat's moving. Bye, Matt.
Bye, have a great time.
Yes. Oh, hook just fell right out again. There we go. I think I'll call my 13. I think it's a 13 I needed to call. Okay. 16 1/4. There we go. Bye. Okay, so he was a little deeper in there. Not like right on the edge. I need to catch a 20. I need to catch a 20. Yeah, I think I'll do that. Oh my God. 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 Yes! 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 Woo! I cannot believe it, man. I cannot believe it. Look. On the Cinco. I told you I needed a 20-incher. And I got myself a...
Here's what I found.
I don't care, Siri. It's a 22. It's a 22. Wow. Look at the picture real quick. Look at that, guys. Wow. Look at that. Yes. 22. Let you go. Goodbye. Wow. Okay, so what I did is this little mat right here, it looked too thick to punch. So I threw my Cinco right against the edge and bam, I got her. Got him. Pretty decent. I don't know. I don't know if he's gonna pass a 15. out of the grass. That was pretty good. I got beat at 15. 15 and a quarter. It'll work. No, he won't. He's not 15 and a quarter. He's 15. Yeah. He won't do it, but oh well. Goodbye. Oh my God. Another one. Got himself in the grass. Got himself in the grass and got off. That was another big one. All right. Don't get too upset. That was a big one. That was another 20. That'll be all right. We'll find another one. I think I know what I need to do though. That's the second one that big that came off like a pad like that, but it's off to the side with a Senko. Jeez. Come on, guy. Can't be tricking me like that. Well, that's a decent one. Oh, there goes my rod. Alright. That one is 17 and a quarter. There we go. Goodbye. Oh, dude, my shoulders. Let's see what else I have to call. Not a 15 and a quarter. I think I got it figured out though. I think they're along these either these big mats on the back side of them or hydrilla clumps on the back side of them using this Gambler Fat Ace Senko, just kind of popping it along. Not the 20-incher I was looking for, but I'm sure I'll have another chance at one. It's 12:41 right now, so we still got some time. Tournament ends at 3:30. The one thing that scares me about this tournament is not everybody has good cell signal out here, so they can't submit their fish right away. So they have to. I think they have till like 4:30 to drive to the nearest town to submit fish. They have to get off the water earlier to be able to submit. So I mean, I'm submitting fine out here, so I can fish a little longer than they have to if they're having bad cell signal. See, right now it tells me I'm in the lead, 88 inches. Oh. I don't know if I got though. Oh, it's a small guy. He was not gonna call. He hit it pretty hard though. It was right next to a grass clump like I was talking about. So, I don't know. I think that's the pattern I'm gonna go with. That's a good one. I don't know if you caught the grass. Kinda is. That's a good one. Oh yeah. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Yes! Yes, sir. That's a good one. I think it was 15 and a quarter I had a call. This one's 17 and 3/4. Oh, come on. Put your tail down. All right. 17 3/4 it is. Here we go. That's chunks, man. Goodbye. Now I got beat a 16 and a quarter. Not that big. I don't think he's. No, he ain't gonna call. I need to beat a 16. Not what I'm looking for. Yes. 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 needed. I think. I needed to call 16. 17 and a quarter. There you go. You can go back home now. Goodbye. You're kidding me, man. That ain't gonna help. Sorry, man, you ain't gonna help. Got a shad down his stomach or something. Yeah, it's got a shad down there. Goodbye. 3:30. We're done. What a day. Eventful day today. I don't know how I feel about it yet. We're not sure if everybody has submitted. And we'll know for sure by 4 or 4:30. But as of right now, I'm in first with 91 and 3/4. Second's got 90 and a half. 91 and 3/4, I'm in first. So let's hope that holds out. But I'm not holding my breath. We're gonna wait it out, be patient. I'm gonna give it till 4:30 and then we should know by then. But the official results will be on Tuesday. This video will be out after Tuesday, so when they put the official results, I'll put them right here. And yeah, the two main baits today was the Gambler BB Cricket and the Silver Shadow Color with 1.5 ounce tungsten, 2 bobber stops, 65-pound braid, heavy slip and stick. And then what I caught my big one on, and I missed another big one, was, you know, Texas rig with a Senko. Not this color Senko, this is a June bug color, but I was using the black with blue tail from Gambler. It's a Fat Ace, a 6-inch size. And I would cast that on the edges of the hydrilla clumps or like these mats and stuff. And I would get bites that way too. So, I don't know, my shoulders hurt. I'm ready to go into the car and get warm, but I'm gonna probably have to paddle all the way there. So, got a long paddle ahead of me. But anyways, if you enjoyed, leave a like on the bottom, subscribe if you've not subscribed yet, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.